Hi, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. How's everyone doing today? Great job with your capturing the reader's attention. You already have Mrs. Laspiza hooked on your immediate family informational pieces. So today and tomorrow, boys and girls, I'm just going to show you what you'll be working on for writing. For the next 2 days, you're going to be answering questions in a Google Doc that Miss Laspiza and Miss Samitsi can see so we can help guide you for your immediate family informational pieces. So here's what it's going to look like for Wednesday and Thursday. Everything will be sent to you via Google Docs. You do not have to write anything on the writing paper. I would like everything now in your Google Doc here. Miss Laspiza can see it, Miss Samisi can see it, so you don't need to share anything unless we ask you to. So here is the one for today, Wednesday, questions for immediate family you should be getting. Make sure you please write your name on top. So Miss Laspiza is going to demonstrate. And I just put, did you type your name to make sure you wrote your name here. And then it says here, in order to help you start your write about your immediate family, please complete this Google Doc in a complete sentence. So the first question here, boys and girls, you have is who is in your immediate family? Meaning who is living with you? Now, I want you boys and girls to make sure that you write facts and you also clarify people who live with you. So, for example, if Miss Laspiza says, in my immediate family, I have my mom, dad, Ben, Des, and Vinny. Okay? But if you are reading this, boys and girls, you would say, okay, well, who's Ben? Who's Des? I know most of you know who Des is. But make sure, boys and girls, you clarify who the people are in your family. So, for example, I would love to see friends write, in my immediate family, I have my mom, my dad, and I'm going to add an adjective here to describe my brother. He's actually my younger brother. My younger brother, Ben. And then for Des, you know he's a cat, so I'm going to put my cat, Des. And Vinny, my husband. Okay. This is Miss Laspiza's example. I just wanted to show you this here, boys and girls, because I know some of you will just list who is in your immediate family. But it's very important to clarify who they are and what the relationship is between you and your family, too. So, for example, like I was talking to Tyler Griffin, Tyler was telling me that he has his mom, dad, Leo, Leah, and him. That's 5 people. Well, I said, who's Leo? And he said, his dog. And then I said, well, who's Leah? And he said, his older sister. So I think it's important to put that into your writing here. The next question you have is, if you have a pet, please fill out in this section. If you do not have a pet, you may skip it and answer the next question. And then there's Miss Laspiza's example. I do have a pet. I have a gray and white cat named Des. He has eyes as green as limes. So I put some similes in. I'd love to see you boys and girls do the same here. And then I said, what are the top 3 places your family likes to visit? Again, just as a friendly reminder, boys and girls, make sure you put a complete and full sentence. Do not just list it in this Google Doc. So boys and girls, I hope these tips and questions and clarification help you with your next writing piece. We will be working on the questions part today and Thursday. And then next week, boys and girls, we will start our actual writing of our immediate family. I hope this helps everyone. Talk to everyone soon. Bye.